Do you have a 3D printer in the office or in your manufacturing area? Particles produced during 3D printing pose a health risk. In fact, they are almost as harmful as the exhaust produced by diesel motors. Are you in doubt if this is a problem or not? And are the precautions you have taken necessary or effective? Saxocon provides a simple and fast solution. We can measure the air you are breathing and assess the situation on site. Saxocon provides you with a certificate verifying the safety at your workplace. We also design a mitigation strategy and help you put it into practice if the particles around you are a risk to health and safety. Your solution can be simple and required measures can be cheap and easy to implement. Contact us to learn how we can help you.